Let's open these up. That is so much brighter. Oh my goodness. In this video, we're going to be installing these BEVINSEE V45 LED headlights in this 95 Honda Del Sol. And if you're looking to get these for your Honda Del Sol, there's the part number. Let's open these up. So inside the box, you got your little installation manual, all that fun stuff, and then you got your two LED headlights. Let's take a look at these things. Oh, these are a nice metal construction. Oh, I didn't even know this, but 3-year warranty. So that's pretty sweet. Anyways, let's get right into the install and then we'll test them out. So first we're just gonna remove this little pipe, if yours still has it. This one's kind of a gem because it's still a stock Honda Del Sol, but then we pull this clip off, which you have to squeeze the little side tabs. I'll get it off and kind of show you from out here because it's easier. But these little tabs right there on each side, you gotta push them in like up here, and then this will pop right off. And then remove this boot. And then down there you got the little mechanism. It's hard to show. And now you can see it better. We push that in and pop it up like that, and the bulb comes right out. So I'm going to show you this part without the boot on, just so it's easier to see. But this little collar comes off, pull it off like that, and then you put this in the back of the headlight first, and then you twist this in there. And once you get the ring in there, you just take your bulb and twist it in. And then you just plug it right into the factory headlight harness. Alright, before I put the other headlight in, I want to show you the comparison between the stock headlight and the BEVINSEE LED. Running lights, low beams. As you can tell already, the BEVINSEE headlight is way brighter than the old yellow like stock headlights. And then high beams, that is so much brighter. Oh my goodness. And there's my dog. And now with the BEVINSEE LEDs, running lights, low beams, high beams. They are so bright. Alright, it's dark out now, so let's go test these headlights out in the real world. have it. Very easy to install, super bright. And the other thing I like is they're a very crisp white LED. They're not like a bluish or anything. That bluish tint that some LEDs have is actually harder for your eye to pick up, so it makes it visibility even worse. So these being very white is super good. So if you want to get yourself a set, I will leave the link below to these headlights as well as their website. Also use discount code CONJO11, all one word, and you can get yourself 11% off. Also, I wanted to point out in the video, you can tell the headlights point to the left. That's not the bulb's fault, that's actually the housing, because even the old bulbs are pointing to the left. Whoever put these aftermarket housings in never aligned them, so I'm gonna do that maybe tomorrow. Get them so they're more straight, and they'll fix that issue. But you can still tell how far or how much further these project and how much brighter they are. Anyways, if you're looking to get LEDs, these are super cheap, super good quality as far as I can tell, and they work very well. If you like the video or it helped you out, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects, and follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you want to see more on there. Also, thank you BEVINSEE for sending me these headlights to try out and do a review on. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.